Our clients on this project are super focused on health and wellness.
Well, that's good because being a firefighter, I know the importance of indoor air quality to make sure the whole family stays healthy. So we need to make sure in the kitchen specifically that all the pollutants and byproducts from cooking actually escape the kitchen.
Way ahead of you. The best pairing for a great range is a great hood, because whether you're cooking with electric or propane, cooking generates a lot of pollutants, so proper ventilation is super important.
It also helps for controlling cooking odors, which is good because I'm gonna cook this bad boy tonight. As we will put some butter with him, maybe some salt, some pepper, some garlic, some paprika.
We are definitely gonna need some ventilation.
Spice, some seasoning salt, maybe some rosemary, maybe some threaded rosemary, maybe some basil. Italian, you look like an Italian fish.